and welcome back to Fix Fab Garage. Ow!
Here's a better view of it with a little bit of light. I got top bolt out. Still gotta get the bottom bolt out down there on both sides. It's gonna be fun. They're a bugger. It was pretty rough so far, but we'll see. I got the bottom all undone. I just got 2 bolts left. Then we gotta try to get this out. So, another fight. It didn't want me to win. As you can see, I had to cut it out. See it down there? Right there. Had to cut it out. No choice. Kept stripping. Now I gotta do the other side. Then worst case I'll weld some little nuts on there and extract them that way with some clean nuts. But whatever I do, I'll show you in a second here. Alright, give you a boo what it looks like in here. Hold on, let me get set up first. There you go. Yeah. Let's see if I got her. Maybe. I'll see you in a second here. Well, she's off. I had to cut the 2 bottom ones. But now, I should be able to pull this up through. Keep my fingers crossed. We'll see what it looks like when I get it out. So now, I'm going to take a couple of nuts because extractors don't want to work. Gonna come throw a bit of weld on here, that there, throw a socket on there and pop them 2 off. Hopefully it welds good. Hopefully they come right out. So that's the next step. Well, there we go. All done. There you go. You can see it down there. Bit of a bitch. It was hard. Yeah.